Weight loss products are specifically designed to help individuals reach and maintain a healthy weight by supporting fat loss, boosting metabolism, and curbing appetite. These products include a variety of options such as supplements, meal replacements, fat burners, and fitness equipment. With the growing emphasis on health and fitness, many people turn to weight loss products to complement their diet and exercise routines. However, it is essential to choose scientifically backed, high-quality products and adopt a balanced approach to weight management, as no product alone can replace the importance of a healthy lifestyle.
Androsurge estrogen blocker for men, natural muscle builder for men with dim, long jack, and grape seed extract for increased vitality and performance, 60 veggie pills. About this item: optimized estrogen metabolism. Androsurge features diindolylmethane, DIM, which promotes healthy estrogen metabolism to support overall health and well-being. Potent adaptogenic benefits. As a powerful adaptogen, rhodiola rosea helps boost energy, reduce fatigue, and improve overall well-being for a more balanced lifestyle. Enhances performance and recovery. Rhodiola rosea in Androsurge helps reduce muscle damage markers like lactate and creatine kinase, promoting enhanced recovery and protection against muscle damage, allowing for more intense and prolonged training sessions. CGMP manufacturing. All jacked factory supplements for men and women are manufactured in a state-of-the-art CGMP facility using premium raw materials that are tested for purity, potency, and authenticity. Be confident that each bottle of Androsurge contains precisely what's on the label. Premium quality and transparency. Jacked Factory uses research-backed ingredients, transparent labels, and ensures zero fillers or dyes, delivering pure, effective supplements you can trust. Physician's Choice Probiotics for weight management and bloating, 6 probiotic strains, prebiotics, key ingredient cayenne and green tea, supports gut health, weight management for women and men, 30 count about this item. Supports weight management. In a clinical study, 100 patients lost an average of over 30 pounds in 90 days taking 300 milligrams of stimulant-free Green Select Phytosome daily with a reduced calorie diet and exercise. Green Select is a green tea caffeine-free extract. Supports gut and bloating, contains probiotics and organic prebiotics with natural green tea extract. With our weight management probiotics, you can be assured that our formula has been formulated to you on your weight management journey. Supports digestive health and balance, a daily probiotic and organic prebiotic with digestive enzymes to promote gut health and balance. These strains act together in supporting gut health. Our formula contains Capsules to help promote weight management. Probiotics to support weight management for women and men. Our probiotic for women and men is designed to support weight loss management and digestive health. Thin30 is a useful diet aid that is a great addition to your diet and exercise regimen. Safety assured standard of quality. Our probiotic is third-party tested for purity, manufactured in the USA using imported and domestic ingredients in a CGMP-compliant facility. Our probiotics for women and men for weight management are non-GMO. BB Company Provitalize, probiotics for women digestive health, menopause, joint support, sexy midsection curves, bloat, turmeric, curcumin, moringa, packaging vary, 60 count about this item. Reclaim curves in all the right areas, goodbye belly bloat and pooch. Hello, flatter tummy. Experience the thrill of pulling off the latest styles, cuts and fits. Everyone won't believe your age. The power of 8 different supplements for the price of one. Provitalize's synergistic probiotic herb blend provides holistic support for weight management, gut health, digestive health, bloating and more. Enhanced absorption for maximum results. Bioperine increases curcumin absorption by 2000%. Sunflower lecithin makes the entire formula fat-soluble. The result? Belly pooch may be managed better. Regain control of your life with healthy joints. What sets Provitalize apart from other probiotics for women? It doesn't just support gut health. It frees women from the shackles of joint discomfort. Purely Optimal Keto BHB Exogenous Ketone Supplement, Keto Diet Pills for Ketosis, Energy, Focus, Metabolism, for women and men, gluten-free, 60 capsules. About this item: max effectiveness, harness the potential of exogenous ketones with Keto BHB. Keto BHB salts, beta hydroxybutyrate, support your body's transition into ketosis, promoting the use of fat for energy, focus, and stamina. Whether you're already in ketosis or aiming to reach it, this supplement prolongs the metabolic state, ensuring superior outcomes. Experience improved vitality while supporting your fitness journey. How can Keto BHB work for me? Achieving your desired physique shouldn't be arduous and painful. Conventional diets often fall short because your body relies on carbs for energy, leading to fat accumulation in unwanted areas. To expedite progress with Keto BHB, integrate it into a keto, low-carb diet and an active lifestyle. Embrace a healthy, vibrant appearance and feel amazing. Rapid ketosis to achieve your dream body. Experience the power of rapid ketosis with our Keto BHB supplement, propelling you toward your dream body. By enhancing the body's natural ketone production, our formula accelerates the transition into ketosis, helping you utilize fat for fuel more efficiently. Say goodbye to sluggish progress. With Purely Optimal, you'll unlock the fast track to achieving your fitness goals and the body you've always desired. Pure quality, 100% satisfaction. At Purely Optimal, our mission is to help people live longer, happier, and healthier lives. Each product is made in the USA in a GMP-certified facility and is third-party lab tested. We stand behind our product's safety and quality, and if you're not satisfied with the product for any reason, let us know and we'll make it right. Try it, risk-free. Raw Generation 3-Day Skinny Cleanse, Best Detox Juice Cleanse for Weight Management / Healthiest Way to Cleanse Your System / Jumpstart a Healthier Diet. About this item: always fresh. Unlike other brands that use heat pasteurization, we use advanced flash freezing technology to lock in vital nutrients, enzymes, and flavor. Enjoy the highest quality juice once thawed. Simply refrigerate and consume within 24 hours for optimal freshness. Ideal for at-home or on-the-go consumption. Lose up to 5 pounds in 3 days, drink 6, 12 ounces, nutrition-packed juices each day, 3 days equals 18 bottles, to target bloating, feel lighter, and boost energy long after completing your cleanse. Delicious and refreshing, 6 cold-pressed juices per day that you can enjoy in any order: 2 sweet greens, 1 citrus carrot, 1 sweet roots, 1 cool greens, and 1 tart greens. All of the juices are made entirely from fresh fruits and vegetable. Detox Cleanse. Unlike detox teas, pills, or powders, our Juice Detox Cleanse is made with 100% raw plant-based ingredients. Feel lighter and gain energy while rebooting your gut health. Gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO, designed with your health in mind, our shakes are not just dairy-free, but also gluten-free, vegan, and non-GMO. This makes them suitable for those with dietary restrictions or those simply pursuing a healthier lifestyle. In conclusion, while weight loss products can offer valuable support in achieving your fitness goals, they work best when combined with a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle. It's important to approach weight loss holistically, prioritizing long-term well-being over quick fixes. Always choose products that are safe, effective, and suited to your individual needs, and consult with healthcare professionals if necessary. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a journey that requires commitment and the right tools to achieve lasting results.